Well, I'm outside here at IBC 2019 because I come to visit Broadcast Solutions, and I've got Malcolm with me. Hi, Malcolm.
Hiya, hiya.
So, Malcolm, this is the first time we've ever spoke. Tell us a little bit about Broadcast Solutions, what you guys are talking about this year at IBC.
Cool. So we're basically developing our system integration business. This year we opened a UK office. There's 6 of us based in Basingstoke. Bringing a strong system integration background. Quite a few of us are ex-Sony, build OB trucks over there. Broadcast Solutions, one of the biggest OB providers and solutions builders in the world. So we're bringing that to the UK market and looking for customers around there. Mostly SI stuff. Studying a lot of our new control systems as well. A thing called Hi. Actually have a stand inside discussing that. A different concept control system, really built around IP. Right. So how you work on IP fabric. So that's really where our speciality is lying in the UK as well, is looking towards more fixed installs, IP solutions, and where that's going to take us.
Brilliant. And we've got somebody to talk about products as well.
Yeah, Ash is joining us. So he's going to talk about the products we sell as well. So.
Come in here, Ash.
Hi, how you doing?
Hiya, good, good. So tell us a bit about product ranges.
Yeah, so as well as our normal systems integration business, we're also offering a number of different products that we're distributing on behalf of. So we have the Lown wireless intercom systems, which is a really nice product that we've got. Dream Chip as well, which is mini cameras and stuff like that. And we're also doing used broadcast truck sales as well. So that's a new system, or new avenue that we've just launched. So as well as obviously being able to offer custom built solutions, it's also being able to offer pre-existing builds, which as well, with all of the engineers that we have, you know, we can sort of guarantee a lot of the vehicles and offer ongoing warranties and stuff like that. So yeah, just trying to offer as much of a complete solution as we can, really. So.
That's great. Now, obviously, you're here at IBC and very busy, as I can see. If people weren't able to come and see you and they want to find out more information about your products, your solutions, your services, is there a website they can go to?
There is, yeah. For the used OB trucks, it'll be used.broadcastsolutions.de or just broadcastsolutions.de. So you'll find all the information on there.
Fantastic, excellent, Ash. Thank you. Well, you want to find out more, go and check out their website. And for more from us here at IBC 2019, don't forget to look at KITPLUS.com.